What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode here with your friend Zeke. Today is a nice, well, every day it's nice, but today is a nice fall day. It is raining though. It stops here, stops and rain, stops and rain. But this is Washington, and this is what I was talking about, you guys. It is, this week is rain all week long, but we're having some breaks here and there. So we're back at the lake. So hope you guys like the other trout video. We kayak fished and we showed some new gear, but today we're back at the same lake. We were like all the way over there at that corner, and now we're on foot on this side of the other lake, which, if you see, I already have set those two rod holders because we're gonna be fishing the same method. But now guys, we got new gear. We got a new Abu Garcia rod and reel, light action medium rod. That's right here. It's this white one. Right here. And this is my Shakespeare rod and reel. The one I use a lot for bass, trout as well. Well, yeah guys, today's plan, hopefully catch more trout and smoke them. I haven't used my smoker, so catch and cook today. We'll catch and smoke today. So let's get it, guys. Let's get ready. I already have everything set up, and we just gotta put on the power nuggets and let's go. All right, my friends, this is the new Abu Garcia rod and reel, 6-inch medium rod with what's this, 2 bearings on it, but looks nice. I like the white. And as always, this is the setup, guys, for what's it called, bottom fishing. We got our egg sinker, our bead, so we won't mess up our knot, a swivel, and usually I only have the swivel, but I forgot my pliers, so I'm gonna tie it right here on this end. But I pinched it down, so hopefully it holds on. And then we got some line, about arm's length line, and our size 6 hook. So same thing on the other rod. And I will measure this at the end of the video, so see how long this is exactly, so you guys know. And yeah. So then all you do is slide in your nugget, hide the hook, somewhat like that, and it should float to the top, and then just throw it. Same thing, we're gonna do the same thing through the other rod and reel, and hopefully we catch some fish. Fish on, boys. Fish on, fish on. Oh yeah, fish on, guys. First fish, guys. Yeah, let's get him. Come on, we got it in. Come on. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Let's go home. I get that smoke going. Where you at? Where you at? Oh my God. Got him. Got him. Woo. Guys, wow, this is a beautiful ass rainbow. Wow. Alright guys, we bonked them already. We bonked them. Wow. Guys, we got our rainbow trout. We got him. Let me clean him up real quick. Fish on, guys. Oh my God, fish on. Fish on. Fish on, boys. Fish on. Ooh, fish on, guys. Back to back. Fish on, guys. Let's go. Back to back. Oh man, he's big. He's fighting hard. Where's he at? Oh, he's coming towards him. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's go, guys. Woo. Back to back. Back to back. Oh, Jesus. Jeez. Back to back. Back to back. Let me bonk him. Let me bonk him. Let me bonk this guy. Guys, here's our second trout. Let me clean him real quick. Beautiful lake trout, guys. Beautiful lake rainbow trout. Check that out. Check that out. Moved three. This is the third spot that we moved to, and bang, guys, we got smoker fish. So let's put them right here for now, and let's keep fishing. I'm gonna go home, fillet them, prep them, and get that smoker started. We're gonna let it sit overnight. I'm gonna show you guys the process and what we're gonna use. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Good morning, my friends. It's the next day. We're gonna take this trout out of the fridge and see how it looks. Guys, check this out. Alright, so I let this sit for overnight, and what we're gonna do here is rinse them off. And all we used was brown sugar, any brown sugar you like, and we use salt. Use the other salt, the ones that look like little rocks, but I didn't have any, so I use this guy for today. And guys, also disclaimer, this is my first time smoking any fish, so hopefully it comes out good. So either it comes out good or comes out horrible, but I think it's gonna come out good. But yeah, this is what we use: brown sugar and salt, and let it sit overnight and looking juicy. Now what we're gonna do is rinse them off and then pat them down dry. So now we just wait for our smoker to be ready, and then we'll get into action. Alright, my friends, we put them on the smoker already, so we just gotta wait now like about 2 hours. I mean, it's not a lot and they're small, so about 2 hours, and it's 9:34, so 11:34. And yeah, I'll see you guys when they're ready. Right now it's time for coffee. I'll see you guys. Alright my friends, we got our trout out of the oven. Out of the smoker. Look at that. Hey. You can still see some honey that we poured over. So let's give it a taste test. First. Nice. Wow, look at that inside, guys. Woo. For my first time smoking a little trout, I ain't complaining. Guys, if you smoke salmon, trout, you know what I'm talking about. For my first time, I ain't complaining. That candy texture flavor. Wow. And like I said, guys, this is my first time. So together we're gonna keep learning how to even make it better as we go along. But like I said, for the first time trying the smoker, I ain't complaining. Let's do something else though before we end this video. I'm gonna share the little pieces with my family. I'm gonna get some cheese. One of you guys mentioned this on one of the comments. Tweeted with some cheese and a cracker. So we're gonna try it. It's not salmon though, but it's still trout. And see how it tastes. Spread some cheese. A little cracker here. Nice and coated. Nice trout. Right on. Recommended. Thank you. Tastes pretty good. I'm gonna keep enjoying this trout out of camera, but I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next adventure.